Everyone asks the same question. What is the best time to upload on YouTube? And the internet gives the same lazy answers. Upload at 7 p.m. Post on weekends. Tuesday and Thursday work. Best. But here's the uncomfortable truth most creators never realize until it's too late. If there were a single best time to upload on YouTube, small creators would never fail. Yet millions of videos uploaded at the so-called perfect time die silently every day. So what's really happening? Why do some videos explode hours after upload, while others posted at the best time never move at all? And why does YouTube itself quietly admit through data, behavior, and algorithm changes that timing matters, but not in the way you think? Today, we're going to uncover the real story behind upload timing, not the myths, not the surface-level advice, but the hidden cause and effect system that decides whether your video gets buried or boosted. Stay with me, because the answer will completely change how and when you upload. Part 1. Setting the stage, background, and hidden system. To understand the best time to upload on YouTube, we need to go back to the beginning. When YouTube first launched, it wasn't an algorithm-driven platform. Videos were ranked mostly by views and recency. Uploading at the right time actually mattered a lot, because the newest videos were shown first. Back then, creators did game the system. They uploaded when the most people were online. And it worked. But YouTube changed. As the platform grew into a global business powered by advertising revenue, everything shifted. YouTube's real customer wasn't creators. It wasn't even viewers. It was attention. The algorithm was redesigned around one goal: keep people watching for as long as possible. This is when metrics like watch time, click-through rate, viewer satisfaction, session duration became more important than when you uploaded. And here's the twist most creators miss. YouTube does not push your video immediately to millions of people. It tests it, quietly, slowly, strategically. Upload time became less about traffic, and more about who sees your video first. That's where the real story begins. Part 2, Origins, where the best time myth came from. The idea of a best time to upload didn't come from YouTube engineers. It came from analytics tools. Third-party platforms started analyzing public data and noticed patterns. More views when videos were uploaded in the evening, higher engagement on weekends, stronger performance midweek. These patterns weren't wrong, but they were misinterpreted. Here's what was actually happening. Most people watch YouTube after work or school. So videos uploaded earlier in the day had time to process, index, get early engagement, appear ready by peak hours. Creators saw correlation and assumed causation. They thought 7 p.m. is the magic time, but YouTube never said that. In fact, YouTube later added a feature in YouTube Studio called When Your Viewers Are on YouTube, and that changed everything. Because suddenly, the best time wasn't universal. It was personal. Part 3. The rise. How timing really influences growth. As YouTube's algorithm evolved, upload timing stopped being about traffic and started being about signal quality. Here's how it works, step by step. You upload a video, YouTube shows it to a small test audience. The algorithm watches what they do. Do they click? Do they watch past 30 seconds? Do they finish? Do they interact? Based on that data, YouTube decides, expand reach or quietly stop distribution. Now here's the critical part. Your first viewers matter more than your first hour. If you upload when your core audience is online, your subscribers are active, your niche viewers are awake, then your initial data is stronger. That tells YouTube this video satisfies people, and then the algorithm starts pushing. So the rise of smart creators wasn't because they found a magic hour. It was because they aligned upload timing with audience behavior. Part 4. The breaking point, where creators get it wrong. This is where most creators hit the wall. They follow generic advice. Upload at 6 p.m. EST, but their audience lives in a different time zone, watches late at night or consumes content during lunch breaks. The result? Low early click-through rate, weak watch time. Poor first impressions, the creator blames. The algorithm competition shadow bans, but the real issue is misaligned timing. Here's the breaking point. YouTube doesn't care when you upload. It cares how viewers respond when you upload. And if the right viewers aren't there yet, your video fails the test. Part 5. The fallout. What the data shows. Let's talk numbers. Studies of thousands of channels show videos can go viral hours or even days after upload. Some videos spike at 3 a.m., others explode 48 hours later. Why? Because YouTube decoupled upload time from distribution time. Shocking data reveals. Over 60% of viral videos did. NOT perform well in the first hour. Videos with strong 24 to 48 hour performance often outperform early spikes. Subscriber activity matters more than clock time. In other words, timing is not about speed. It's about alignment. Part 6. Failed fixes. What doesn't work anymore? Creators tried everything to fix timing. Uploading multiple times a day, deleting and reuploading, chasing global time zones, copying big creators' schedules, none of it worked consistently. Why? Because big creators don't grow because of timing. They grow because they already have data, they already have returning viewers, the algorithm trusts them. Small creators need precision, not volume. Part 7. Modern Parallels. 2025 to 2026 Reality. Today, YouTube behaves more like TikTok than old YouTube. The algorithm tests content in waves, resurfaces videos weeks later, prioritizes satisfaction over speed, and the pattern repeats across platforms. Instagram Reels, TikTok Shorts. The shocking truth? The best time to upload is when your audience is most likely to give strong signals, not when the internet says so. For most channels, that means 1 to 3 hours before peak viewer activity, consistent days, not random uploads. Letting YouTube learn your schedule. Conclusion: the real answer, delayed reveal. So, what is the best time to upload on YouTube? Here's the honest answer. The best time is when your specific audience is online, alert, and ready to watch, not when everyone else is posting. And that time is different for every channel. 3 clear takeaways. Timing amplifies performance, it doesn't create it. A bad video at the perfect time still fails. First viewers matter more than first minutes. Upload when your core audience is active. Consistency trains the algorithm. Same days, similar times. Let YouTube learn you. Final warning, open-ended thought. If you keep chasing the perfect time, you'll never focus on the perfect signal. And YouTube doesn't reward clocks. It rewards satisfaction. So the real question isn't, when should I upload? It's, who will see this first and how will they react? Call to action, natural and retention focused. If you want more deep, algorithm level breakdowns like this, not surface advice, not recycled tips, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And comment below, what time are you currently uploading and is it actually working? Because the next video will show you how to read YouTube Studio data like the algorithm itself. And most creators never learn this. See you in the next one.